Alrighty, we just finished up right here at Cosmos. This 2025 GMC Sierra 3500 AT4. We just equipped this truck right here with our premium package. Our premium package consists of this stance right here. If you got one of these trucks and you're looking for this type of look, let me show you what we did to it. So for our premium package, it consists of this 4 to 6 inch lift. So we equipped it with this 4-inch Cognito Lift Kit with the Fox shocks. Check out the cross member. Also check out the angles on the suspension. As you can see, perfectly flat angles. Rides just like stock. We also put the Fox shocks in the rear. And since this truck has the overload springs, it does come with the blocks to accommodate that. With brand new U-bolts for the wheel and tire setup. The customer wanted to keep his stock wheels, and we threw on this beefy 38 13.50 Nitto trail grappler. One of the best mud terrain tires you can buy for your truck. It's got that nice aggressive stance, aggressive look. Check it out right there. Check out that tread. Came out very nice looking. Check out the stance on this. As you can see, this lift kit gives it that leveled stance from front to rear. Came out very nice. If you're wondering if this setup fits with the 38s, yes it does, but you do need to do some modifications. We did the 2-inch wheel spacers. 2-inch wheel spacers to push it out from that control arm right there so it doesn't rub. As well as we are going to be doing a mud flap delete on this as well. And we did have to trim the lower valence right there. Check out the stance with the 2-inch wheel spacers. Gives it that nice aggressive look. And yeah, this is how these AT4 HDs look like with 38s and a nice 4-inch lift from Cognito. If you got one of these trucks and you're looking for a setup like this, we got the solution here at Cosmos Truck Accessories in Phoenix, Arizona. Your one-stop shop for all your truck's needs. Quality products, quality service, expert installation.